Keith San Esteban Thompson, better known by his screen name Kit Thompson, is a Filipino-New Zealander actor, model, alleged physical abuser, and television host. Thompson was a housemate of Pinoy Big Brother, Teen Edition 4, which aired in 2012. In the same year, he was cast as Albert Espiritu in ABS-CBN's Kahit Pusi Masugatan and appeared in an episode of the drama anthology Malala Mo Kaya. For the Cinemalaya entry number Y, Thompson shared a special citation for Ensemble Acting Award with actors Chino Ordaliza, Colleen Garcia, Sophie Albert and Elmo Magalona. In 2018, Thompson appeared as Darwin in Star Cinema's The House of Us. A year later, he appeared as Josh and Belle Dowler, as Marco in the Iwant original Mamal Nights, and as Greco in Sino Ang Masala, Mea Culpa, for which he was awarded Best Supporting Actor in the 4th GEMS Awards. In 2020, Thompson appeared as James in Pamilya Ko and in the first season of La Vida Lina. In March 2022, Thompson was arrested by the Philippine National Police after receiving a call that Ana Jalandoni had called up some friends saying that she needed rescuing after being illegally detained and beaten by her boyfriend inside their rented hotel room. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.